Good morning, everyone, and greetings from India BioImaging. I will be presenting India BioImaging in this training around the globe session. Currently in India BioImaging, we have 5 partners: NCBS TIFR, JNCSR, and INSTEM. They are located in Bengaluru city. ISER Pune is located nearby Mumbai, and we have one more partner that is from CMC Vellore. They are located near to Chennai. Now, NCBS, it started its training program since 2004. And here you can see the data, their training data from 2004 to 2022. Apart from their microscopy training program, NCBS along with INSTEM and CCAM runs another microscopy course, which is known as Bangalore Microscopy Course. Since 2009, they have started this program. This course provides a didactic and hands-on training in the state-of-the-art optical microscopy techniques. The final 2 days of the course provide an opportunity to do independent work or mini project. So here are some glimpses of the Bangalore microscopy course. This microscopy course having an international flavor because the resource persons are from India, even abroad, and we have international students, those who attend this course. Now, coming to ISER Pune started its journey 2006 as an institute of national importance along with 6 other ISERs. We started our microscopy training in 2012 from our transit campus. And here you could see the last 5 years training data. We have averaged 80 to 90 students, except to 2020, where 65%, around 65%, they successfully complete the training program and they get the facility access. ISER Pune microscopy facility is a 24/7 open operator-free facility. And here we aim to offer extensive training programs easily accessible to the aspirants. We are keen to extend our resource and infrastructures toward building the trained microscopy manpower for future. Apart from our regular microscopy training, we do organize time to time different kind of microscopy workshop and image analysis workshop. You can see over here, I have enlisted few of them. The most important that I should mention, that was Building Bharat Boston Bioscience Young Scientist Program. Here, this was a collaboration between Institution of India and Boston, and it was funded by Indian government so that it can promote the research and creation of new knowledge in biosciences through collaboration between these 2 countries. Here you can see it was an intensive training program for 14 days. And apart from that, we organize different image analysis workshops, hands-on training, and so on. Here are some of the glimpses of our training program that we organize throughout the year. And here that before workshop participants along with that panel, because we have separate panel discussion for the students. Now coming to our next partner, JNCSR, they also organize workshops to train their in-house students. They are also open for the academia and industry. They are organizing bioimaging workshop in collaboration with ZEISS from 2016. And here, this is their training data from 2016. And these are some glimpses of their training initiative they have taken already. Now coming to our last partner, that is CMC Vellore. They also have their training program for their internal candidates. Here is their training data. They also organize a couple of workshops on deep tissue imaging with multiphoton system, confocal and multiphoton microscopic workshop in collaboration with Evident or Olympus. Now, here are some of the glimpses of their training initiatives. Now, the main challenges that we face in IBI, that might be the crucial part of this presentation, networking of facilities in India is really hard that one can imagine, and bringing the community on the platform itself is a challenge. So when IBI was established around 2014, we had dozen of partners who came forward, and there was a project proposal that was submitted to the government of India, and finally that proposal was turned down, and our partners, they lost their interest. So at this present moment, we have 5 of them who can come together and participate aggressively in different IBI, GBI activities. And we are really hopeful that once we start some venture together, there will be few more partners with us in no time. Now, if the question can be asked, what have you found most important from GBI community? So the first thing that comes into our mind that GBI helped us to remain connected with global imaging community. Their trainers training program, job shadowing program are the best part of GBI activities, which benefited microscopy facility ISAR Pune. Even I have personally attended several training program courses. Recently, I have attended this ABS GBI 2020 course, that image data, image analysis, data management, and reuse in Japan, July. So GBI is helping us in networking to adopt best practices in terms of training and quality control, etc. And what we do finally, we disseminate the knowledge among the researchers in Indian bioimaging community. Now, what kind of help Indian bioimaging community, Indian bioimaging requires to move forward? The first term, that is fund for the microscopy training, is scanned in India. We have taken our last, we took another initiative last year where we wrote a project proposal. There were 10 co-PI from 7 institutes from India, and the proposal was written on training on bioimaging and analytics in India, a synergic way. So the three main objectives these proposals were training, image data analytics, and technology development. ISAR Pune was responsible to run the intra-training module. So our plan was to have a training on imaging and analysis from basic to advanced level, and then run the train the trainers program. This was an initiative to bring imaging data scientists together to enable collaboration for the benefits of the Indian Imaging Society. But unfortunately, this proposal, which was submitted to CZI, it was again turned down. But still, ISAR Pune is trying its best, and we are approaching to the corporates for their social responsibility, corporate social responsibility fund to run such kind of pan-India training program, although we don't have lead yet. Now, in India, in our continent, we need such kind of training program, such kind of extensive training program, which will be easily accessible to the aspirants towards developing trained microscopy manpower for the research and development of the country. So we have already blueprint of some kind of training program. There will be a microscopy and image analysis training program that might be from basic to advanced level, but it has to be two separate program, maybe 1 week in time span. The outcome that we are really looking for, it will be really advantageous for our imaging community, because the participants will be able to handle, operate, and maintain the tech sophisticated imaging modalities available in IBI community. We will have the participants who will be confident enough to take their own imaging experiments, and ultimately this knowledge can be used. They can use it as a further progression of their career. They can join the core imaging facilities in government research and academic institutes, and if different research and development facilities in the corporate industry, because in India, the bioimaging facilities, core facilities are now coming up quite well, and people are showing their interest on this kind of facilities. The second component, the most important component that we do feel it is very necessary for Indian continent, that is the trainers training, means the capacity building of the staff, because the staff members of the existing microscopy facilities should get the opportunity to learn from their peers. They should learn what is going on around the globe. They should learn more about the core infrastructure development, operation, management, policies, current technologies, trends, and etc. So I will stop over here, and thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to present IBI in this global platform. Thank you.